Hey guys, it is Dolla Docta Jennifer, and I have not done this in forever, but today is Throwback Thursday, and we're going way back. We're going to the first ThredUP box I ever got. It was a mixed clothing rescue box, women's, and I will put the other video up here if I remember, but it was trash, and I was so not happy with it. So today we're going to go back. I'm going to try and put in some clips from that video. I've never done this before, so bear with me. But I'm going to go through every item. There were 26 items in the box and go over kind of what happened with each item. I've got my computer over here, so I'm going to be referring to the list as well during this. So if I'm going like this, that's why, because I don't know everything off the top of my head. So I ended up paying only $42.42 for the box because I had credits, but the actual cost of the box was $70.77 if I hadn't used any credits from other stuff that I had sold on there. I would have been real mad if I had actually paid the full price for the box, but like I said, we're going to go through it, and initially I'm just going to show you were the highs and the lows, the emotions that went through this ThredUP rescue box. So it started off really upbeat. Welcome to our first ThredUP rescue box unboxing video. And then it just went downhill from there. So I'm just gonna go step by step. I'm just gonna go through all the stuff that I don't have pictures of, that I just basically got rid of because it was worthless. So let's just kind of list the stuff that I either redonated or I actually sent back to ThredUP because it wasn't really worth my time. And I don't think they have processed the boxes yet because those are from July. So we'll see what we've got over here. I gotta put my glasses back on. So initially the first item was a Dahari blue cashmere cardigan. Hope there's something else good in here somewhere. Oh, this already can see holes in it. Freaking Dahari. It's 100% cashmere and it has holes. You can see them right there. All over. There's holes everywhere. So that is garbage. And as you can see, it is full of holes, and that just immediately got redonated. Same with this aqua silk gray sleeveless blouse, size medium. All right. This is aqua. This is silk. It looks like it has holes. Yeah, all the pleating looks like it's, you don't really see it when it's down, but if you pull the pleating out, it looks like it has holes. I don't know. It's also a size medium. I don't know this brand. I don't know. Again, it was a holy mess, and that just got redonated. So no good stuff there. Then a Banana Republic size 6 pencil skirt. I may have put that in a ThredUP box to send back. And then this Focus 2000 pinstripe blazer with no size. I had it listed for a while, but I am redonating that. And these Loft size 6 shorts, they went back to ThredUP. And Chico's size 0 black pants, I think also went back to ThredUP. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items that just weren't going to be used for anything at all. That leaves 20 items left. So let's see how these 20 items did, what's still available, what sold, how long it took, and at the end I'll let you know kind of overall how much money I made or didn't make on this box. So first item was this HD in Paris which is an Anthropologie brand. Really pretty purple, black, and red maxi dress. It was a size medium. It did sell, and I will put in the listing, the sold, and so you can see what it sold for. It did actually finally do fairly well. But again, this box was from August 6th of 2021. And this sold November 6th of 2022. So that's what, a year and 3 months. So that was not the best sale. Actually a good sale, but it took way too long to happen. So, and then I did actually sell a lot of this stuff when the Posh Lives started. Without the Posh Lives, I probably would still have a lot of this stuff. Next, we have a BCBG Max Azria short sleeve black blazer, size medium. This was one of the items that sold in a Posh Live. Again, this box is from August 6th of 2021, and this sold October 24th of 2022. So a year and 2 months. Next is a Central Park West wrap long sleeve blouse, size small. It was new with tags. It sold in October 3rd of 2022. I feel like I should move my computer over here, so I'm like kind of looking at you. All right, let's try this. Next were something I was really excited to get in this box, and it ended up not being exciting. These are Lululemon. Not mad about that. These are Lululemon blue capri leggings, size 6. I had high hopes, but they did sell in a Posh Live, and they sold October 24th, 2022. Next, I actually sold at Buy Sell Trade, so I probably didn't really make any money on this. It was a Michael Kors extra small sweatshirt shirt. It was gray. I found stains on it. It went to Buy Sell Trade and they took it. That wasn't a great one. The one that actually sold the fastest was a BCBG Max Azria Champagne, the Brenda dress, size 2. This is one, I'm trying to put a clip in here, but it had like all sorts of stains all over it. Figure out which way it goes. Okay. Well, it's called the Brenda. Is this the top? This is a weird top. Oh, it's a dress. Oh my gosh, I thought it was a skirt. Wow. I get it now. Really cute. Like, this would be super cute. The gold champagne color. Let's see. I don't know the brand still. It's BCBG Max Azria again, and it's a size 2. I don't know, we'll see. I definitely need to, it's definitely holiday. Hole in the back, so it almost looks like a strapless dress. Zipper down the back. It is cute, I will give it that. Oh, it has some stains. Let's see, is this washable? Let's see if I can find the tag again. It is not washable, so I'll either have to just list it with the stains or pray that it makes it through. Yeah, there's a lot of stains. Oh god, the whole back has stains. So depending, this might be a redonate, which is sad because this was would have been a really cute holiday dress. And I did end up getting them all out, and it did sell in March of 2022. So I want to say that was the first thing to sell from the box, if I'm not mistaken. I think so. Yeah. So that was not the worst sale. But again, that was like the only thing that sold. And it was still, what, like 7 months after I got the box? 6 or 7 months. So. And then I sold the BCBG Max Azria blue white knit dress, size medium. October 24th of 2022. Are you seeing the theme? And I think that was in a live sale as well. Then I sold, well, I don't know what this means. There was an express black strapless dress. It has FB. What is FB? I don't know what that means. It did sell, but I don't think it was for very much. Maybe it was for my garage sale or something. I don't remember. Sorry, I don't remember this express dress. I have to figure out if there's something else somewhere. Then I sold this T. Tahari blush blazer on October 3rd, 2022. I want to say that was in a Posh show too, but I don't remember 100%. And then I sold this Liz Claiborne. Well, I don't have a picture of it, but it was a Liz Claiborne floral blouse, size medium, and I'd sold in a garage sale for like $1 or $2. So no money made there. And then lastly, stuff that sold was this left of center white lace back sleeveless shirt, size extra large. This was new with tags, and this sold in June of 2022. So that was the second thing to sell. And that did sell, I think, on Poshmark. So those are the items that have sold already. And then I've got a bunch of items that are still for sale. And so I will put in the listings. They're only, I think most of them are only on Poshmark at this point. First is this Chelsea and Theodore black dress, size medium. It is still available. Next is this Chenault, size medium. It seemed to be a lot of size mediums for some reason. I don't know what that is either. It's just a little blouse with a little like bell sleeve or tunic, I guess. I guess it would be like a layering piece. It's all right, it's cute. Floral design. I still don't know this brand. Floral black and white blouse with a bell sleeve. The other item that I got super excited about when I opened my box is still available. It's a Kate Spade black dress. Shut up. This is Kate Spade, New York, size 2. And it's just a little black dress, which every woman needs, right? It's got like a keyhole in the back. A long sleeve, so this is the right season for this at least. Needs some cleanup, but loose, but I'll take a Kate Spade dress. Not mad at it. Size 2. This has actually even been to the real and back. It is just one of those things that just does not want to sell. Also have this Ann Taylor Factory size 6 petite red pencil skirt with pearl button details. I did finally sell, I forgot about this one. I did finally sell this Tahari. It was a petite extra large new with tags sleeveless blouse with sequin flowers. It did have a little like stain on the back. That sold at buy sell trade. So I think I made like $1 on it or something. That did sell like last week or a week or two ago. And then same thing, I forgot about this one too. Same thing with this White House Black Market size small lace up jacket, black, that also sold at buy sell trade for like a couple dollars. So I did get rid of those. Sorry, I'm all over the place in this video. Hopefully the end will bring it all together. So next thing that's still available are this Banana Republic Factory size 4 dress. It's not really anything to write home about. It's like a good work dress, I guess. Also these Fabletics orange leggings. They had no size tag or any tags at all. They're like a size small. I still have these available in my Poshmark. And then The last one is another really sad one. It is a North Face shirt, striped, and it has been to the real. I want to say I've actually sent it twice and it's come back both times. So it's like a real, like, no one wants this shirt. And it's the North Face. Like, come on, guys. All the stuff I thought was actually going to sell didn't sell. I mean, the Lululemon did finally sell, but not for a good price. It was a, let's get this out of my closet because I don't care about it anymore price. That is all. I think I went over all the things. Yeah, there are 25 items. So, I don't know. Pretty disappointed actually because of all the stuff I'm going to have to basically throw out and donate because it's completely disgusting. I got Lululemon leggings and a Kate Spade dress, and that is probably the only two things that are going to make a ton of money or any money at all. Kate Spade dress I may send to the Real. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. I'm very disappointed. I hope. Hopefully this is edited a little bit better with like some clips from the old video. I don't know. I just wanted to get this out there. So overall, like I said, spent $42.42 because I had credits. And I will put in here kind of what actually I've made on this box, if anything. I probably made a little bit because that one dress did sell for a good amount. I'm sorry this is a little more haphazard than I wanted it to be. I wasn't sure how to do it exactly, just because there were quite a few items and there's quite a few items that aren't sold and donated, and it's kind of like all over the place. But hopefully you can see this is a box I would never ever buy again. I never bought it again after this. In general, ThredUP and I are probably breaking up as well. I'm breaking up with everybody. I just need time for myself. This is not a box that I would recommend. I don't know. I know a lot of people have gotten this box and done really great with it. I feel like I'm targeted. Like, I think I said in the video before that it looked like someone had just like eaten over the box because there was just like junk on everything. And that's happened to multiple boxes of mine. So I don't know. I feel targeted by the people eating and packing these boxes. Thank you for watching this crazy video. Hopefully the next throwback one will be a little bit more organized. I do want to go back. My fun box, I actually think I did pretty well on. So I'm going to go back at some point and do a Throwback Thursday on that box as well. I do have some thrift haul videos coming up and some other types of videos. So definitely stay tuned for those. Thank you for joining me. And as always, remember to help control the pet population and have your pet spayed or neutered. And subscribe to this Hot Mess Express. Bye guys. Have a good one.